In all, the puppies will need the protection of a den for the first 5 months of their lives. Now they're only 3 months old, and at this young age, anything amuses them. The adults show unbelievable patience toward the youngsters. But when one oversteps the mark, it gets disciplined immediately. A quick reprimand, and the puppy is free to go. Off to harass the next adult. They begin to follow the adults, but they are still too small to join a hunt. During these times, the pups remain at the den with an adult to babysit. Here, they will grow into juveniles and prepare for the day when they will become the true nomads of the bushveld. A brief spring turns quickly to summer, and the grasslands fill with new growth while the trees and bushes sprout a fresh coat of green. The 10-month-old pups have grown into healthy juveniles, fully integrated into the alpha female's elite platoon. They now fall into rank and take guidance from the leading pair. This morning, they start with a brisk patrol through the mist. The pressure of raising a young family comes to an end. Although the mouths to feed have increased now, there are as many dogs to help on the hunts. As long as they avoid the predators and there's sufficient suitable prey, a dog's life seems pretty easy during these times. The juveniles have almost grown to adult size, but they have not lost their sense of playfulness. Even though they could never bring down an adult zebra, the fun comes from provoking a sparring match. But they know better than to tease an animal with large and powerful hooves, such as this giraffe. Like a bunch of renegades, they gang up on an old, half-blind buffalo. No harm meant, just having a little fun at the expense of the aged. The juveniles turn everything into a game. A casual summer swim becomes a celebration, and all the adults, including the alpha female, are drawn into the fun.